Hi there. Welcome to your first coding lesson. Today we're going to learn about programming concepts and how to use a programming language called Python. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about programming. Programming is a way to give instructions to a computer so that it can do things for you. It's like giving your computer a recipe to follow. With programming, you can create games, websites, and even robots. Now, let's talk about Python. Python is a programming language that's easy to learn and use. It's named after a snake, but don't worry, it's not scary at all. Python is used by programmers all over the world to create all sorts of cool things. Python has different types of data that we can use in our programs. These include strings, integers, and floats. String is a sequence of letters, numbers, or symbols. An integer is a whole number, and a float is a number with a decimal point. For example, hello is a string, 7 is an integer, and 3.14 is a float. Now, let's talk about arithmetic operations. These are the basic mathematical operations that we can do in Python, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We can use these operations to perform calculations in our programs. For example, 5 plus 3 is 8, 10 minus 2 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. We can also use variables to store data in our programs. Variables are like containers that hold different types of data. For example, we can create a variable called age and assign it a value of 7. Then, we can use this variable in our program to do things like check if someone is old enough to ride a roller coaster. This is just the beginning of what you can do with Python. With practice, you can create your own programs and projects that do amazing things. Keep learning, practicing, and exploring new things. Programming is a fun and exciting way to use your creativity and problem-solving skills. Who knows, you might even become the next great programmer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.